Using 1inch exchange with Trust Wallet allows you to trade cryptocurrencies across multiple decentralized exchanges efficiently. Here's how. Set up Trust Wallet. Download and install Trust Wallet on your device. Create or import a wallet using a recovery phrase. Securely backup your recovery phrase. Fund your wallet with tokens and native cryptocurrency to cover gas fees. Access the DAPP browser. Open Trust Wallet and activate the DAPP browser if it's not enabled. On iOS, this may require a manual activation. Navigate to 1inch. In the DAPP browser, enter 1inch.io and open the 1inch exchange. Ensure the network in Trust Wallet matches the blockchain you want to use. Connect Trust Wallet. On the 1inch site, click Connect Wallet, select Trust Wallet and confirm the connection in the Trust Wallet app. Trade tokens. Select the token pair you want to swap. The 1inch aggregator will find the best rates. Review transaction details, including gas fees. Approve and swap. Approve the token if required, then confirm the swap in Trust Wallet. Your tokens will appear in your wallet after the transaction completes.